Yeah, I'm ready when you are, mate. You kind of...
There we are. So we're going to go in now just to show you that we've had some boots donated to us today. So this is a prime example how our boots arrive with us. The support we've had from local people and far and wide all across the UK has been absolutely unbelievable. It's absolutely fantastic community to be part of. It sounds crazy, but everybody belonged to everybody. And that was the case of growing up in a lovely little town called Britain Ferry. I grew up here and my parents couldn't afford the cost of football boots. So my old coach, gave me a pair of boots that were a couple of sizes too big. But because obviously I wanted to play, I wore them. That was it for me. So they arrive, within store, they all donated into us. And obviously then we start the process then where we wash them, we clean them, and then what happens then, they get taken then to our next boot room session. And then obviously then the kids come in and they just try them on. They can come in there, they can try 1 pair on, 2 pairs, 10 pairs, whatever they want to do, they can come along to the boot room, try them on, be happy, be comfortable, and then obviously, then boots become theirs. I had a little thing in the back of my mind to think to myself, are people going to be too proud to ask for boots? But that simply wasn't the case. I knew once I set this project up, I wanted to really start by looking after my local people in my village. And this is exactly why it means so much to me to go back to Britain Ferry, give them the opportunities that I never had as a child. At one stage, I was out every single night to local football clubs, training events, any community events that were going on. Just say, look, we've got the boot room, this is what we've set up. We want to try and get as many kids within your area to come along and be able to get boots. But yeah, my family, obviously the first few years did suffer quite bad with, me prioritising other things. From the celebrity world, we've had quite a lot of support, which is exactly what we need. The One show was a great one for us. Obviously Michael Sheen popped along and surprised me with a golden boot. If I had to describe the place where I came from as a person, it would be somebody who has got a heart of gold and is quite humble.